Hello everybody, and again, the same day, at least I think so. I cannot predict the future. So, last video, I was reviewing this puzzle that was from the dollar store. And so, I bought two. So, I bought two to take one apart, and this is what the core looks like, and it looks like it's a good fidget spinner. Looks nice too. So yeah, so all I did was I took the top layer off, and then the whole top layer, and then after that it just like started crumbling down, and I was like, oh, that's easy. So yeah, today I'm showing you, I'm gonna see if I could rebuild this, see if I can. I'm not sure if I can. And these, I'm gonna show you what these look like. See, there's like look at the weird corners. And then this right here is an edge piece, and this is the core. So I can kind of see which one. So let's get into it. I'm not going to do it a time lapse because then I just want you guys to see it and like to actually see it in like real time. So I'll be quiet right now and start trying to do it. Oh, one more thing. So please comment down below before you watch this video. Do you think I can or can not? So, I think I actually should do the edge pieces first because it actually kind of stays in a little. So let me do the edge pieces first, and I think that would actually be the best idea to do it because then I don't know why, I'm just kind of tired. Everybody, I don't know why. I shouldn't be tired. I'm not tired. I am not tired. What am I talking about? I don't know. What am I talking about? Oh my gosh. It's okay. I'll be quiet from now on because I'm kind of annoying. Or at least I think I'm kind of annoying. Well, wait. Then corner. Blue, pink. There we go. So I got one corner in, or like a whole corner in there. There we go. That's pretty good. And now from there, just construct off of it. So let me see, there's that. Okay, that's pink. Okay, I got that now. Got it. imagine how hard it is for these poor people that make these poor rubrics. Wait, what? Rubik cubes that suck. They must go through a lot to make one cube? No, not really. You just gotta, they probably do it a lot, so it's probably not. The red and the yellow. There you go. Then find an edge piece that can go on the side right there, because that's what I really need. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Not gonna fit there because I was just about to put this piece right here. It fits right there, but there's something to support it right here. So, tip for you guys, right there. There we go. Another piece that could make it the whole thing stronger. I mean. And then this piece right here goes right there? Yeah, that's right. But then something to support it, but whatever. I'm like, whatever. I don't really care if it breaks or not. It's a dollar store cube. I can just get a gazillion of those. Wait. Why do I always say whoa, wait when I'm not even listening? It's just like a video that I'm building something. Like, I don't make any sense. Wait. Did I lose a piece? Oh no, wait, there it is. Like, wait a minute. Did I miss or lose a piece? Or am I missing that? Did I just say I miss a piece? Oh, there you go. Jeez, ow. I pinched myself earlier doing that. Just taking like a piece off. Like, really? You hurt yourself doing that. Maybe I should do this like right now. Oh, whoa, what was that? You know what? I just don't know right now. What do I know right now? I'm not sure. I feel like I'm just saying like stupid things right now. Like that don't even make sense. Because there's nothing for you to guys to watch, but just like me having trouble building this thing. So there's no point of it. It's a freaking 9-minute video already. Are you serious? What do I do from here? Because I can't get this dang piece in there, and I got it in. Are you serious? That easy. There's no technique. All you gotta do is just push it in there a certain way and it's in. Like guys, this is just too much. Oh, there we go. The last piece is about to go in. There we go. I think I should take this piece out and then put that piece in the center, on the edge piece. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I'm making all these sound effects. It's not really that hard to put it back or put it in. Like oh, I did it. I broke and then I broke this thing and put it back together. I'm not gonna do that with this because it's scrambled and I'd rather solve it than, you know what I mean. Okay, so that's it for this video, and that was pretty cool that I could be able to take this apart and put it back together. So the last video was kind of a fail because I could not solve this, and it was like kind of embarrassing because it was so dang hard to turn, but whatever, that doesn't matter, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye. Peace out.